Hi, and welcome to F. Berg CRM video on the topic of Zoho SMART marketing goals. Many startups invest most of their budget in the product development stages and forget to create a budget for one of the most essential parts of their company's success, marketing. For you to run a successful inbound marketing strategy, you need to create smart inbound marketing goals. It's through these SMART goals that you'll formulate the metrics for measuring your success. What is Zoho SMART goal setting? SMART, SMART, the framework used to set goals, refers to the following 5 elements: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Let's talk about setting goals based on the SMART Index. According to the SMART Index, your goals must be specific. Goals should be clear, avoiding ambiguous expressions. For example, a goal such as do your best to increase customers and do your best in sales has no specific meaning, but rather may reduce the motivation and production effectiveness of your team members. On the other hand, if you have a specific goal, such as increasing the number of new customer contracts to 150% compared to last year, you can determine whether you have achieved that goal at the set period. If you do not achieve it, you would be able to tell how much is lacking and visualize the evaluation based on the specific nature of the goal. Also, when setting goals as a marketing team, there's a concern that ambiguous goals will create gaps in interpretation among members. The more specific your goals, the easier it is for your team to work together to share a vision for achieving those goals. Measurable. Set a target that can be measured numerically. For example, goals such as improve customer satisfaction sound good, but the indicators are difficult to understand, and it's not possible to determine whether they have been achieved. What is customer satisfaction in the first place? It's not clear from the above goal whether you've gone through the process of defining. In such a case, replace customer satisfaction with a measurable number, such as the number of orders received from existing customers. Thus, here's a better goal. Increase the number of orders received from existing customers by 120% compared to last year. Also, if you have an environment where you can introduce a customer satisfaction survey tool and quantify it, it's not a bad idea to set the score to match your goal. Achievable. Even if you set a specific numerical value as a goal, you still have to ensure that your goal is realistic enough, factoring in your current resources. People have various benefits by accumulating successful experiences. Thus, a successful experience provides 2 margins: work efficiency and a positive mentality. In addition to business growth by achieving goals, it's important to have a successful experience by achieving your goals from the perspective of long-term team building. Consider the resources in your team and set achievable goals. Relevant. The goal must be set based on management indicators. For example, suppose your goal is to increase the number of followers on your Twitter corporate account to 3,000. At first glance, it looks like a good goal because the numbers are concrete. However, a closer look will show that it lacks the reason why increased Twitter followership has a positive impact on your business. If you analyze your lead acquisition campaign by referrer and get a certain percentage of leads from Twitter, you may set a goal related to Twitter. However, if you discovered through the analysis that Facebook has a higher lead acquisition rate and Twitter does not contribute to lead acquisition, that goal needs to be changed. Achieving your goal must have a positive impact on the business, which is one of the premises for setting goals. Time-bound. Even if a goal meets the 4 elements so far, it will collapse if you do not set a deadline. By setting a deadline, you'll be able to check your daily progress, and your daily actions and tasks will be materialized. On the other hand, if the deadline for the goal is not set, the schedule for achieving the goal will be vague, and it will continue to be impossible to incorporate it into daily tasks. There are various period units such as annually, quarterly, monthly, and weekly. Choose the one that best fits other elements you've considered for your goal. Let's run through some examples of Zoho SMART Aware goals. Marketing goals can be divided into the following 3 types according to the stage of monetization. Attract. It is the stage of attracting potential customers to your brand. Examples of attract-related goals are: increase site visitors by 80% by March 30th of this year. Increase Twitter followers to 500 by the end of this quarter. Increase the number of unique users on the internal blog by 300% compared to last year. Considering the goals above, many of the measures to achieve these goals will be related to content creation. Convert. It's a stage where you convert your web visitors into leads. Goals for this stage could include: increase new prospects to 100 per month by the first half of this year. Improve landing page visitor CVR up to 5%. Improve phone pass rate up to 60%. To achieve these goals, it is necessary to think about what value can be provided to the attracted users. Close. At this stage, your goal is to convert your leads into customers. Goals for this stage could include: acquire 40 new product customers in the next quarter. To meet the goals of this stage, it's necessary to maintain continuous communication to enhance attractiveness and to communicate in a non-uniform manner. Regardless of the means of communication, such as face-to-face, phone, or email, the keyword is personalization because the message you send is template-like and the prospective customers have their unique qualities. Smart advertising. Smart goal setting can also be applied to your ad campaigns. Examples include: earn 30 million engagements via ads during this campaign period. Acquire 500 inquiries, conversions, via advertisement by the end of September 2022. Acquire 50 new contracts via advertisement by the end of 202. CRM or marketing tools can be used to determine whether or not the customer is a prospective customer via advertisement. It's a good idea to set a conversion goal, as many accounts have conversion as their ad metric. In addition, if it is a campaign for brand awareness, it's better to set an attract goal. If it's a company that has a large amount of purchasing or customer data, it's better to set the close goal after introducing a measurement tool. Being a goal-oriented inbound marketer helps you in various ways. It helps you have something to look forward to at a given period, serves as a means of motivation for aiming higher, and also helps you evaluate your work. Thus, you need to create a SMART goal template in preparation for each inbound marketing campaign. Brainstorm on these goals with your team and ensure that they sync with the company's overall goals. With Zoho's MarTech applications, as in marketing technology, a Zoho SMART marketing goal strategy is made possible. If you have just a tad of experience with Zoho's marketing software stack, aka MarTech, and understand the Zoho inbound marketing strategy foundations from our videos, you have a very powerful marketing starter pack ready to be configured and unleashed. To learn more about Zoho inbound marketing or FBerg CRM, head over to www.fbergcrm.com. Call us at 1-540-3606-256 or email Zoho now at fbergcrm.com. FBerg CRM can always help with your Zoho marketing initiatives and anything related to the entire Zoho One suite of 50+ applications. Just reach out to us. Good luck with your Zoho SMART marketing goal strategy. You got this.